been really interesting to see all of the different types of craft that we're here. Felting, beading,
English paper piecing.
I'm into dressmaking. Lots of gorgeous fabric.
I love the colours.
I enjoy making lots of different things and I love coming here.
I think it's really good for finding inspiration and getting started. There's a lot of ideas, there's lots of people offering advice, there's lots of people offering help, and it's really nice.
Because there's all sorts of packs and kits that a lot of people have that can kind of help you out if it's your first time.
There's so many opportunities to indulge your love of fabric in person.
Even just different stalls will give you different ideas that you've never thought of before.
I think the workshops are really amazing. If you're looking to get a taster of not just sewing but other crafts as well, see people making wonderful things. And yeah, I go home, I always want to just get my sewing machine out. You get to see real people on catwalks and you get inspired.
We loved everybody's outfits, and I love the way they describe everybody's taste of fabrics, because it's all about promoting all different types of fabrics.
I was really looking to buy a lot of yarn and maybe pick up a second hobby or so.
Loads of stands, there's a lot to get round. So I've bought 2 lots of fabric, trying to be very restrained because it's easy to buy so much. There's so much choice.
I've really loved it. I found a couple of really good bargains as well, which has been really, really good.
I think the biggest thing for me is probably the social side. I mean, even in the queue, I saw 7 people I've only met virtually and we're waving at it. It's so lovely.
The best thing about it is the community, the online community, the YouTube community. So I meet up with friends from across the country.
I just like the fact that everybody enjoys each other's company, and this is the place for it.
I think for the support. I think there's a lot of support even just by sitting talking with people.
And I'm looking around at everyone, I'm trying to figure out who's made the outfits that they're wearing.
I'm a for lifer now. You've got me once and I'm going to be back every year.